Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best vacuum cleaner for the car you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best vacuum cleaner on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which vacuum cleaner are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum. Remove more embedded dirt and pet hair with a motorized brush tool and 14 volts lithium-ion battery. The Pet Hair Eraser handheld cordless vacuum features triple level filtration and a large, easy to empty dirt bin to help get rid of pet hair easily. Set of specialized pet tools includes motorized brush tool, upholstery tool, and crevice tool. Perfect for cleaning stairs, upholstery, car seats and more. Do not use to pick up flammable or combustible materials, lighter fluid, gasoline, kerosene, etc. Large, easy to empty dirt bin to help get rid of pet hair easily. Triple level filtration to help improve cleaning performance. For details, let's watch more. Our second best vacuum cleaner for the car is this Worx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. With our this Worx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner, keep your car professional level clean. Also you'll be free of any wet or dry messes, even liquids, cigarette ashes or pet hair. The 16 feet power cord connects to the car's 12 volts lighter port, for maximum coverage. The ergonomic design of this hand vacuum ensures you can reach all the nooks and crannies of your car. The transparent trash container makes it easy to empty it, and the protective lid keeps the trash inside at all times. The car vacuum set features 3 all-purpose nozzles, a carrying bag for easy storage, a special filter cleaning brush and a spare HEPA filter. It makes for an awesome gift for ride-sharing drivers and car lovers. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Hoover Dust Chaser Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Designed to make cleaning easier and more convenient, the one-power dust chaser hand vacuum has the performance and power to clean where you need it, when you need it, with a lightweight and sleek design. Built with a high-performance digital motor, this hand vacuum has 2x more suction for powerful pickups. Tackle the dust, dirt or spills anywhere, including tight spaces and hard-to-reach spots around your house or in your car, with the built-in extended nozzle, the 2-in-1 crevice tool and the upholstery tool. Equipped with dual-stage filtration with HEPA media, the dust chaser lets you enjoy powerful suction through your entire clean without fading, while capturing 99.97% of dust, dirt and allergens down to 0.3 microns. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Hodor Vacuum Cleaner. Hodor Vacuum Cleaner has the advantages of a high-grade quality motor, which strengthens and stabilizes vacuum's performance to clean your car. The powerful suction fulfills the need of deep cleaning while improving cleaning efficiency, which maximizes the effect to save your time and efforts. Featuring a LED light, shine the places where needed. Free from worries about dark corner cleaning. The detachable dust cup head is good for quick and easy trash dumping, and you are ready right away to continue the rest of your cleaning. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best vacuum cleaner for the car is Cheryl cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. With a 2500 mAh premium lithium battery, the handheld vacuum cordless can be quickly recharged within 3 hours and keeps super long cleaning time about 25 to 30 minutes cord-free, hassle-free. With the ergonomic design of the handle and the whole cordless vacuum weighs only about 1.8 pounds, which can allow you to carry it at any time. Multi-purpose use of mini hand vac more convenient because this mini hand vac to deal with waste in different scenarios. Built with a high-performance motor, offers you a strong suction to clear your home of dust, hair, and other debris. Cheryl handheld vacuum is always your daily helper for picking up dirt and debris at home and in the car. This cordless vacuum cleaner is devoted to developing cost-effective vacuum cleaners to meet everyone's needs for home and car cleaning. Save our time and make our cleaning convenient and easy. Let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!